Word that the pregnant mother who was stabbed by a stranger in front of her 3-year-old son on a walking trail in Brookhaven had to undergo an emergency C-section. Her premature baby is okay, and they are both in the hospital, but they have a long recovery ahead. Police continue to search for the man who attacked them. John Shurik with our update tonight.
A photo just posted along with new information by a lifelong friend who's now raising money online for this woman who is slowly beginning to recover from a violent attack. The friend, Nicole Robertson, writing that the woman, a teacher just starting summer break, was 5 months pregnant when a stranger attacked her with a knife on the Peachtree Creek Greenway in Brookhaven, stabbing her in the back Saturday afternoon in front of her 3-year-old son while they were taking a walk. Robertson writes that the woman had to undergo an emergency C-section as well as extensive surgery after the man pulled a knife out and stabbed Mama in the back many times in front of her son. Her new baby is currently in the NICU and Mama is recovering. Brookhaven police still searching for this suspect, seen on a security camera just off of the trail on Corporate Boulevard near Buford Highway. On the man's cap, the word dope written in several colors. Police hoping the photo generates tips to help them identify him, and they say get him off the streets. Nicole Robertson's fundraiser for the family in less than 24 hours was approaching the initial goal of $20,000. Robertson declining further comment for now and not using her friend's name publicly as long as the man who attacked her is still on the run. A survivor of a terrifying crime. Family, friends, and strangers supporting her and her family now.
A college